everyone, welcome back to a new video and a very, very Merry Christmas to you all. Can you believe it's Christmas Day? The whole year I wait for this day and it's here, and in a matter of hours it's gonna all be over. And I will go into a slight depression for about 2 weeks and then I'll be happy again. I just love Christmas. I feel like I live for Christmas, but I just burped. How rude. I just really wanted to come on here today and say, I know this is you're probably going to be like, wow, thanks. But this is basically my gift to you guys for sticking around all year and just supporting me. This is like this little video on Christmas Day, which I never do. This is like my little gift to you to say thank you. So thank you. And I appreciate every single one of you who has supported me and who takes the time to watch my videos and comment and like and all that good stuff. And I just wanted to say you're all amazing. And yeah, Merry Christmas. And 2020 has probably been shite for a lot of you. It's been a really weird year. A lot of you will have lost some loved ones, or a loved one, or know someone that's lost loved ones. And it's been a hard year, physically, mentally, for a lot of us. And I just wanted to say that going into 2021, I think we all need to be kind. We all need to support each other. And you know what? Together, we'll probably get through. We will get through tough times and we'll come out the other end and we will be stronger. Yeah, that is my little Christmas speech. Move over, Queen. I've got this. In England, we have the Queen's speech on Christmas Day. I don't think I've ever listened to it. I probably should, be a little bit more patriotic. But I have actually. It's been on. I just don't listen to it. I'm not going to lie. God knows what she's going to say this year. I've seen this gif that said, no, it's like a meme. It's the Queen sitting behind her desk saying, well, where do I start? Oh my God, I'm not even telling you about these nails. I'm using Neo now from neonowuk.com. I'm making a marble. I just wanted to do a Christmassy set. And I didn't realise actually that I had done so many Christmas videos, and I was going to scrap 2 of them, but I thought, do you know what, I'm going to upload them because I've done them, and some of you might have had, I don't know, I'm not saying basically I thought, you know what, sod it, I'm going to edit them, I'm going to take the time to edit them, a voiceover and whatever, and I'm going to upload them because some of you are going to have had your Christmas plans ruined this year because of COVID. And I don't know if you're like me, but when I'm bored or I just want to take time out, I will go and watch YouTube videos. And yeah, I don't know what I'm on about, but basically this might help some of you get through Christmas if you're bored or whatever, because COVID has mucked up things for you. And yeah, I don't know, it might not do. You might just end up watching this for 15 minutes and you might have had 15 minutes of your life wasted, but at least you're doing it with me. And I don't know that that's any consolation, but you know what? Merry Christmas. Love you all. And I'll start talking about the nails. So got Neo Now here from neonowuk.com. These dots are Rockin' Robin dots from Nail Sugar. I love these. They're amazing. You might not get these during the year. They were available last Christmas, and I don't know if they were available during the year, but Karen has bought them back for Christmas, I believe. They're amazing. They're like these little hollow red dots. I'm going to make a bauble. I don't know what, when I've done the set, because I was going to scrap the bauble video that I put up this week, and I was like, all right, because I'm not going to do that one now, I can do a bauble on this set, because I kind of like the little bow with the elastic gel. But you've already seen me do a bauble, but I'm doing another bauble because this is like a Christmas special video, even though it's not really very special, but it's like, like they have like Christmas specials. Well, I never upload videos on Christmas Day. I think I uploaded last year. I definitely uploaded on Christmas Eve because I know I'd done 2, two Advent calendars last year. I know some of you are a little bit disappointed with the Neo Nail one this year, which is unfortunate. I do agree they need to sort out that packaging. But Maybe they'll do that for next year. So yeah, so I will, I don't know where that came from, waffling now. Yeah, just a Christmas video, whoop whoop. So I've cured that Hot Me gel polish. It's a really nice red, and over the top of that I'm putting some hard base, and into the hard base I'm going to put some of these dots, and it's just going to give the bauble a little bit of texture, a little bit of, you know, just a little, even though it's red and the gel polish is red, when you look at it move in the light, like at the end of the video when you see me do like the close up, you can just see I love them. I just love these little dots so much, and I don't use dots very much, but I've used dots twice this week, yay, in the baubles. So there we go. Let me know in the comments, by the way, what you guys are up to today. I know, yeah, it's going to be difficult for some of you because plans will have been ruined. Though, to be honest, I think a lot of you are from the US that watch my videos from the US, so it might be different over there. I don't know what's happened over there, but Christmas this year in the UK has sort of, I don't know, it's just, we can't really, we can't mix households, depending on what tier you're in. And I think if you're in a tier that you're only allowed to mix 2 households. I can't remember how it's going, but anyway, let me know what you're up to for Christmas. Let me know what you got for your Christmas presents. I want to know that in the comments because I am nosy. I like to know what people have got for Christmas. I can't tell you what I've got because it's currently, I think it's the 22nd today. I'm doing all the voiceovers today, so I don't know what I've got. I do know, however, I'm getting, this is really exciting. That was sarcasm, by the way. I do know I'm getting some brush heads for my Philips Sonicare toothbrush. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Talk about I know how to live dangerously. No, that's probably not the right way to describe it. Not very excited, I know, but I wanted them. I need them. I'm trying to be practical. What do you want for Christmas? Do you want some? Yeah, I'll have some toothbrush heads, please. Yeah, exciting shit, you know. But I'm going to use them. It's not going to be a wasted gift, because sometimes, like, especially for my other half, I'll buy him things and he doesn't use them, and he gets the ump with me. He says, why did you waste your money? But I never know what to get him. He's one of those really awkward people that I never know what to buy for. So there we go. Look, this is the elastic gel that I'm using. It's like you might know it as a 4D gel, a 3D gel, a sculpting gel, plasticine gel, that kind of thing. But I'm going to use this to create the bow. Now, I've done this in a video earlier in the week. I've got a little bit of water in a little espresso cup. I always have that little espresso cup near so that I can fill it with water. I'm just going to squidge it. Right, I did do this with some gel cleanse, but I don't know if I just done something wrong, but it wouldn't stick with the gel cleanse on. So I'm doing it with water, and I'm only, so don't use gel cleanse or anything, because it won't stick. It seems to take away that tackiness. So I'm going to get another tiny bit out the same size, kind of like a small bogey size or a very big eye bogey size. You know, you get eye bogey, actually it's a very big eye bogey size. You only want it really little, unless you want massive bow, if you want to do a massive bow. But these I just wanted to do tiny little, they just kind of look like bunny ears. I said it in a previous video, but they kind of do. But I just think they look cute. It's like my new favourite thing for baubles now, is to do these little like bunny ear bows. I like them a lot. I like it a lot. We've been watching Marvel today. We've been watching Marvel films for the last couple of days. We've done all the Star Wars films and the Mandalorian series. Now we're on to Marvel. We're currently on Iron Man 2. We've been doing that today. Very exciting. I don't know what we're going to be doing on Christmas Day, but yeah, we'll get through it. There we go. This is called Blinking Pleasure. It's really pretty colour. And then over this, I'm putting the Aquarel base. This is it's like a clear blooming gel. It's brilliant. I'm going to put some dots in the corners, and I'm going to put the marble through the middle of this. Kind of done it wrong. I put the dots on the bottom the wrong side, and I was like, I can't remember to change it now. I meant to do it so that they were kind of like diagonally opposite each other, and I ended up doing it so that they, yeah, I done it like this and I didn't mean to, but I'm using up the rest of that gel polish that I've got on the palette that I done on the first marble. So I'm just going to do it like in a, you see, like a half circle kind of thing. I didn't want to waste the gel polish, basically. Waste not, want not. There we go, something like that. And you can just leave it. The longer you leave it, the more the colour will disperse. I decided to add a couple more dots because I just felt like it needed a couple more dots. My throat's getting tickly. Tickle, tickle. When I talk too much, my throat gets tickly. It's kind of like the world's telling me to shut up. You're waffling. We're going to make her throat tickle so she coughs and stuff. So she's going to have to stop talking. That's just, yeah. Right, over the top, put some dry top coat. Now, I quickly shove this into the lamp because sometimes the top coat doesn't like to stick over the dots for some, I think it's because they're really shiny. Ignore that nail on the left. That was one that didn't fit in with the set. So here they are, all done. Just want to say, again, a massive happy Christmas to you all. If you're here for some reason and you've not subscribed, please do consider giving me a subscribe and a like. And look at the bauble, it's really cute, I love it. Anyway, thank you so much, guys. I will see you in a few days with some videos or something. I don't even know what I'm going to upload next, but Merry Christmas, love you all, and I will see you soon. Bye.